Seaman, Ohio, Family Dollar. Got a call about the door closer broken dent yesterday. I got here today. I'll show you pictures. This piece right here was bent wide open, straightened out. I was able to get it back perfect there. Put a new bolt through both sides here. Just wanted to show the closer working. I adjusted it so it would bring it all the way in. Nice and easy here. But the closer's fixed. They had tape on it. Trying to hold it up there. But that's your closer. This is the other one. They're pop riveted in. Anyway, job complete.
All right. Have a good day.